Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate Show. Jay here with you guys today presenting the climatic forecast of the top 5 cryptocurrencies during the last 24 hours. Let's immediately start off with Bitcoin, BTC, currently at $22,938. That's the king. It's up at 1.84%. Number 2, Ethereum, currently at $1,677 a pop, up 5% for the past 24 hours. Number 3, BNB, currently at $313, up 0.52%. Number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at 0.37 cents, up 0.57%. And then number 5, Cardano, ADA, the stable coin, has been essentially acting like a stable coin for the past couple of months. It's crazy, but great accumulation range. This is not official financial advice. Currently at around, half a buck, 50 cents, give or take, up 2.59%. Then we move on to the top 5 best performing cryptocurrencies from the top 100 in the past 24 hours. We start immediately with Decred as our number 1 selection here. It's currently at $33.55, up a whopping 25.74%. Number 2, Near Protocol, currently at around $5. It's up 16%. Number 3, Theta Network, it's currently at $1.60, up 14.57%. And then we have number 4 here, Hot, the summer token, the holographic coin, is currently at around under a penny, around 0.002 cents, currently up 13.27%. And number 5, Raven coin, the bird coin, is currently at around 0.038 cents, around, right under a nickel, currently up 10.18%. And then the honorable mention Flow, the swag coin, currently at around $2.76, up 8.73% in the last 24 hours. Then we move on to the top 5 underperforming cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours from the top 100. Let's start with number 1, Optimism. It optimizes your life, currently at $1.84. It's down 3.72%. Then number 2, we have Pax Gold, currently at $1,768 and is down 1.14%. Then number 3, we have Chili's, the restaurant coin, currently at 0.14 cents, down 0.98%. Then number 4, we have Trust Wallet token, currently at $1.17, down 0.71%. And then we have Unus Leo, currently at around $5, down 0.14%. Then we move on to the charts, man. Well, you guys love the charts. We have clear levels of, support right here, this green line. Then we have a downtrend here, a trend line. And, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. Yeah, this would be our 8th candle, but 7 essentially for the past week. We've been going down, 7 red negative candles here. Important trend line. We see these massive wicks in 1, 2, 3, 4, and now the 5th candle from the past 8, just trying to get push up against this trend line right here. A very important level. Then we have the support key level as well. We see that we came right back down to touch the support, and now today's candle is a green candle pushing up, clear wick, but let's see if it closes below this trend line or if it has enough strength to push up. But again, key level at around $22,600. If we break this trend line here, then we expect further upside move to the top of this ascending channel towards $25,500. If we break the support level to the downside, then we expect price action around 22,000 or just under to see if this holds. If it doesn't, then we have a clear resistance level to the downside of around 19,000. But these things take time to play out. If they do, it's all about probabilities. And then if we break this upside target here, the next clear resistance level is around $26,500. That's on the daily chart. On a weekly chart level, we see that same deal. For the past couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, we've been battling this key 200-week moving average. We're currently right above it as we speak. It's amazing. Just trying to test it as key support, because if we do, then again, we expect price action to eventually come up here to the 26,500 level as the first stop, and then the next resistance level would be $28,000, give or take. If this 200-week doesn't hold, then yikes, it might represent more downside action to again, like we said, $21,000 as we see key weekly support level here. So we just have to stay tuned, see what the price is going to do. But again, these things take time to play out. It's all about probabilities. So let's see what happens. When it comes to the Bitcoin dominance, wow, I'm surprised. In one of our previous episodes, we were up here, we couldn't hold, we broke back down, and wow, it's amazing. Look at these lines, guys. TA, it's a beautiful thing. We had this previously drawn, and we're right at it again. It's tends to be key support, as we see here, support here, and then support back here as well, and resistance. But for now, we're currently at support, trying to test it. If that doesn't hold, then again, the next one is around 39.43%. When it comes to Bitcoin dominance, that's why we see BNB, Ethereum, and altcoins popping, essentially having what we can call an out season. A lot of altcoins have been pumping for the past couple of weeks. And that's mainly due to Bitcoin losing dominance over the market. But let's see, we can either retest this, come back up and maybe start an uptrend, give or take, or we might break it down and test this key support level. As we can see, major support down here at around that 39.5 or 40% Bitcoin dominance. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens next week and in the days and weeks to come. Now moving on to the DXY, the dollar index. As we can see, we drew this trend line a couple of weeks ago, and it's it's amazing. TA, it's respected the trend. The trend is your friend until the end. As we can see here, we're wow. I believe we were somewhere around here. We said that we'll probably come right back down to test it. We did. Man, that's just a beautiful thing. Right now, we're pushing towards the upside, probably up to this next resistance level to see if we can, pop it, go through it, test it at support, and then continue to maybe new all-time highs. We got to wait and see, or we can come back here and try and retest the trend line. And if it breaks again, we expect a downside move towards the 100 point area. But that's if this trend line breaks. If it doesn't, then we expect the DXY to come up, test the resistance, and then to continue on up. It's still the trend is to the upside, so the trend is your friend until the end. Keep things simple. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like it. You can write comments down below as well. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys click on the notification bell as well. We would appreciate it. You can swing by our our website. Here you can find our social networks, access to different exchanges, charting tools, resources, anything that you would need. And again guys, if you enjoyed the content, like the video, we appreciate it. Have a good one.